Continuing the sequence of exercises from Pegada Drum Method, the Rudiment Flam is the third exercise in the Fundamentals to Intermediate book. You already showed your student how to practice the single stroke row and also coordination 1, which I talked about in the previous video. You find the link in the description. Today you will learn why it is a great idea to teach the flam in the very first lesson. First, I show my students how to play a flam. I play it only twice or 4 times and I switch hands while they watch. They will naturally play a right hand or a left hand flam, so after a few repetitions I tell them to switch hands. I also show them that it can be a good habit to keep the stick that will play the grace note low, closer to the snare in comparison to the other side. Then I tell them to practice 4 notes each side, because switching sides after one note is usually more difficult in the beginning, and by playing 4 times each side they can concentrate and practice on each side separately. After they do a few repetitions, I tell them to play the kick drum twice followed by 1 flam, and they will do this. They will repeat that and quickly realize what song they are playing. In case they don't know, you can sing "We Will Rock You" while they play it for the second time. Then I turn on the amp, play the song from my phone, and they will follow it in most cases with a smile on their faces. So here's why I teach the flam when they come see me for the first time, and most drum teachers already know this. You can have your complete beginner student playing a 2-minute song on the drums in their first lesson. I also show them that playing the floor tom at the same time with the bass drum will create a more powerful sound, which is even better for this song. Don't miss the chance to emphasize that they learned how to read drum notation and they played a full song on the drums in their first lesson. In the next video, I'll talk about the exercise coordination 2 and why I teach coordination 2 before I teach any other drum beat.